Hello and welcome to Scrapbook.com. I'm Amy Sonnemann, and today I'd like to share with you a few ways to create cards for the non-stamper. I've been a card maker for over half of my life, and I got into card making when I got married and moved 3,000 miles away and wanted to keep in touch with my friends and my family that I had left behind. And snail mail has always been something that I've always done. And a lot of my friends over the years have said, "Oh, I wish I could make cards like you. Thank you so much for the cards you send. I just love it. I wish I could do what you do." Or, "I hate spending $7 on a card." And, those types of things. I should just go ahead and learn how to make cards because I would like to do that. And I know I could save money, but I don't need another hobby. So today I'm going to share with you a few ways to quickly and easily start making cards without stamping. So this is, no stamps needed. It's not a stamping class. It's just using things that are easily accessible. Some things, if you're a scrapbooker, things that you already have in your stash to be able to create cards simply, easily for any occasion. So let's get started. If you've noticed, when you walk down the aisle of a craft store or a stationery store, they have boxed sets, and we have lots of boxed sets as well of cards that hold, like this one is 40 cards and envelopes. Fairly inexpensive. It allows you to have 40 cards on hand quickly and easily to send to your friends for any occasion. But they're kind of flat and they're kind of, not real creative. But my goal is to help you take the boxed cards to the next level. There's a couple different kinds of boxed cards. This is just strictly cards and envelopes, which is great. And I use these a lot as well when I don't have time to stamp. I've been a stamper for a long time, but when you get busy, there's just not time to stamp and color a card and make it happen. So I go to my next best thing and I use the boxed card sets. And it allows me to embellish them and make them my own and still have a beautiful card to send. One of the newest things that I've noticed becoming a trend is all-in-one boxed cards. So what this is, and this is from American Crafts from Jen Hadfield, what it is, and I'll take the lid off and show you what's inside. You get cards and envelopes in a bunch of different styles, and they're beautiful just on their own. They did a wonderful job. If you just want to write a quick thank you note, you don't have to do a single thing. But they also include fun things to allow you to embellish them and make them your own, more personal. They're beautiful like that, but there are a couple extra packages inside of the kit. And on the side and on the back, it gives you ideas, and it also shows what can go together, and they all mix and match. That's the nice thing. Everything inside of here mixes and matches beautifully, so you don't have to do what they say on the outside, but if you want a quick card and you need it, yesterday, do what's on the outside. Be fast, be done, and it's gorgeous. I'll show you that. So what comes in the kit are all of the pieces that you need to embellish. So there are, 6 of each design, and there's 5 different sets. So you get 30 cards in one box. There are cards that you can say thanks a bunch, congratulations, thinking of you, hello friend, oh happy day, or just blank generic cards. So all of these pieces are included. Not only do you have the pieces to make it happen, you also have the adhesive. So these are foam dots to give dimension to the pieces that you have in the kit. The only other thing that you might need is a tape runner and a stapler. You can use your stapler from your desk at work or at home, or you can use the small tiny attacher, which is from Holtz. Either way, any stapler you have will work to add just a little bit of fun and dimension to your cards. And let's get started to show you how to make it happen. First, we're going to take our pieces and we're going to put them together to show you how quickly and easily the all-in-one boxed kit goes together. So first, you can create things that are flat with no dimension. And that is how we put this together. There's no dimension, it's one layer, it goes in the mail easily, but it could be a little cuter. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to kind of amp it up a little bit and give it dimension, make it a little more fun. And that is where this comes in. First, we're going to start with building your embellishment. We're going to take our piece of flower, the little flower bouquet, and the Thanks a Bunch banner. We're going to take a pop dot, and we're just going to pop this up with a couple of pop dots to give it added dimension and interest. So once you do that, the nice thing about this set is that you can use it either vertically or horizontally. I'm going to put it right there. So this card looks cute this way, but maybe you want to turn it this way. Absolutely adorable, fun, cute. Or we can turn it this way and add a little bit more dimension. So to do that, all we're going to do is add a little adhesive to the back. We're going to decide where we want it to fall here, and this is going to fall over the edge. We're going to lift it up because we've got extra paper hanging over. We're going to flip it over. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut off the excess. A card made in what? 30 seconds? How easy is that? We're going to set that aside and go on to the next one. The next card, I'm also going to show you 2 ways to create one card that looks adorable. This is, it says Hello Friend. This is flat. I did not layer it at all. I didn't mount it on 3D foam. It's cute, adorable, ready to go just the way it is. But we're going to amp it up a little bit. We're going to set that one aside. We're going to get our supplies. We have the card, which has this cute edge on it. We have the Hello Friends piece. And then we have this little banner strip. We're going to take the banner strip. We're going to add some adhesive to it. We're going to add it to the bottom of the card, wherever you'd like. We're going to take some foam dots, and we're just going to put them on all 4 corners of your card to add some dimension and interest to your card. I'm going to take off the backing paper. We're going to center it in the middle here. And there's your second card, ready to go. Beautiful added dimension. Fits in an envelope beautifully. Another 30-second card. The next card we're going to make is a thinking of you card. It can be a thinking of you birthday. It can be thinking of you in general. So we're going to do it 2 ways. This is flat with no foam tape. Very cute. Added a little staple at the top. Good to go. But we're going to jack it up a little bit and we're going to add some dimension. We're going to put this one aside. We're going to bring this in. So we have our tag, or our banner, and we're going to kind of decide where we want it. You can put it either in the center, or you can put it off to the side, whichever you like. If you would like to make it a birthday card, you could add the little birthday cake. You could also add a bike, or you could add flowers. If it wasn't a birthday card and you just wanted to say thinking of you for maybe Mother's Day or so forth, you could add the flowers. So all of the elements mix and match. They all coordinate perfectly. So just because I'm making it a birthday card doesn't mean you have to make it a birthday card. Make it what you need for the occasion. So we'll go ahead and make the birthday card. First, we're going to take the banner. We're going to add a little bit of adhesive. We're going to place it where we would like it. I'm going to go more centered. Now, if you'd like to add a staple, in this I added a staple. It looks kind of fun and festive. So if you want to add the staple and you don't want the staple to show, add the staple before you glue it to the card. So we're going to add a staple just for fun. Cute, fun. It's on the back of the banner, but not on the inside of the card, because that bothers people. Bothers me anyway. So we're going to go ahead and add this to the card. We're going to add foam dots to the back of our little birthday cake. Make sure you put a foam dot at the bottom, because if you don't, it will get crushed in the mail and it'll end up getting bent. So put a couple extra foam dots. There's plenty in the kit. feel free to use them generously. Okay, so now we're going to take the cake, we're going to add it to the center of our banner. Look at that. Fun, beautiful, another 30-second card, which I love. The next card I'm going to show you has a couple different options, so we're going to give you lots of ways to create different cards for different occasions. So the first card is a thinking of you, much like the last one. We just added a small bouquet of flowers. We still added the staple. Remember to add the staple on the banner and not through the whole card, and then it looks beautiful on the inside. But what we're going to do this time is we're going to create a congratulations card. So the banners that come inside, some say congratulations and some say thinking of you today. This one is going to be the bike and a congratulations. You can either turn it this way and create it this way and cut off the edge, or we can turn it this way. Let's make it a little higher up this time. So we're going to add adhesive to the back of the congratulations. I'm going to do it a little off center this time. We're going to add some foam dots to the bike. And be generous, because when you mail it, it's one thing if you're going to hand it to somebody, but if you're going to mail it, make sure that you put enough dots on it so that it's not going to crush in the mail. That's the only thing I worry about. And if you're concerned about that, you can always make a flat card. You don't have to do the dimension. But I like to amp it up a little bit. All right. We're going to turn it over. We're going to cut off the excess. And you have another card in literally less than a minute. Cute, fun, and it's ready to go the next time you need a congratulations card. The last card I'm going to make is an Oh Happy Day card. Kind of a nice thinking of you, any occasion, that kind of card. So we have one here that's already glued down. It's flat with no dimension. Nice thing about these cards, I love the detail on the inside. It's cut slightly shorter here, but the inside is pre-printed with this beautiful pattern. And I love the way that looks. So with this card, we have our Oh Happy Day banner. We're going to add a little adhesive. We're going to glue that down. We're going to take our bike and we're going to add some foam dots to it. There's 3 different sizes of foam dots in the kit, so if you'd like to put some in the middle, there's teeny tiny ones to put in the middle and then big ones for the wheels. We're going to take off the adhesive and we are ready to create another quick and easy card to send for any occasion. Look how fun that is. All the pieces coordinate. Love the dimension. The envelopes are included in this set, so everything you need to get started is in this set. So when you're looking for card kits that are all-inclusive, look for ones that have the ephemera. You can add foam tape at home. You have scissors. You could probably pick up some tape runner pretty easily, but you want all of the pieces to be able to create a bunch of cards quickly for any occasion. So that's the first kind of card kit that is fun and no stamps needed. You can do them quickly. We made 5 cards in less than 5 minutes. Pretty easy to do, and I think that you'll have fun playing around with all the different bits and pieces. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create something like this with maybe supplies you have in your stash. If you're a scrapbooker or someone who does traveler's notebooks and has ephemera and a 6x6 paper pad, that's what I'm going to show you how to use in the next video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message.